Introducing the FRX package for the Mitsubishi Triton. This package sets a benchmark that all other utes are measured by. Standout features include smart-looking flares and big 20-inch Intrepid wheels rolling on tough Black Bear all-terrain tyres. This combo is the perfect flare wheel combo, completely filling out the guards. RVE adds stylish front over bumper and blacks out the chrome totally, changing the front of the vehicle. Then we add bold black and red exterior decals, viewable from every angle. The FRX's hand-built, leather-accented interior features armour inserts, upgraded race-inspired Monza sport seats. The interior takes this vehicle into an altogether different league. Further personalisations can be added with options of the RVE extended sports bar and our new electric retractable hardlid, or the American-made bed rug. So go on, build your own, express yourself, and step away from the restrictions of an off-the-shelf vehicle. RVE's packages are designed as a kit set to be installed by a worldwide network of verified installation partners. Contact RVE today and we will build your vehicle or send a package wherever you are in the world.